If you can't sleep, all of your body's functions are gone. Everyone knows this from experience. But the fact that less sleep leads to obesity, and, by extension, diabetes, I don't think it's well known yet. The Annals of Internal Medicine were published in a medical periodical. According to a study by Matthew Brady, a professor at the University of Chicago Medical School, just 4.5 hours a day. I let them sleep for 4 days, and the overall insulin sensitivity, which is the degree to which they put blood sugar into their cells under the direction of insulin. It was found that insulin sensitivity dropped by 16% and in the case of adipocytes, by as much as 30%. This is a very serious problem. Because if you're less sensitive to insulin, your body produces more insulin. Insulin is the cause of obesity that makes fat and accumulates it. Professor Matthew Brady interpreted this phenomenon, which is caused by a lack of sleep for only 4 days. It's about 10 to 20 years of diabetes. And it's going to age to the point where it's going to happen in the human body. He said it was meaningful. And when fat cells lack sleep, their energy metabolism slows down, preventing fat from burning. Eventually, obesity is forced to worsen, he explains. To explain this phenomenon from the perspective of another hormone, according to a study published in 2010, after only 4 hours of sleep for 2 days, the following happened. 1. The production of leptin hormone, which makes you feel full, has decreased by 18%. Simply put, you eat more. 2. A hormone called ghrelin, which signals that you are hungry, has increased by 28%. In other words, you eat more. The bottom line is that if you lack sleep, you eat more. But the problem is that if you lack sleep, your brain needs more sugar, and you think of sweets more. If you think of sweets or take 3 white, you get a lot of insulin, and the result is that fat production is promoted. Accumulation leads to obesity, and this problem, as the University of Chicago study found, is that if you're short of sleep, you're going to have to worry about insulin. If you're less sensitive to insulin, as mentioned above, as more insulin comes out, fat accumulation accelerates, ultimately maximizing the severity of obesity. I'm going to make you do it. Therefore, to prevent and address obesity, reducing sleep should be avoided above all else.